We're here today at a teacher training workshop sponsored by the Ceramic and Glass Industry Foundation. It's a chance for teachers to come and learn to use our material science classroom kit so that they can bring material science to their classroom and their students. Throughout the day, the teachers will work through each of the lessons in the kit so they can learn how to present them to their students. And at the end of the workshop, they take a kit home to their school that they can use for the future.
Well, what's exciting as a teacher, teachers, we're busy. And to have a free resource that has all the lesson plans already written for you, it's top to bottom. We're demonstrating, we're actually hands-on doing each of these labs and activities. And so we're leaving with all this materials and the know-how to just go into our classroom and you can hit the ground running with these. That makes it exciting. So I'm excited to take the kit and apply it to what I'm teaching to my students in my classroom.
So this will be my first year teaching without the direct support of a mentor through student teaching. And this workshop, I think, really helped kind of give you a little bit of a springboard into some certain ideas you can do, especially with how all the kits are connected to NGSS standards, which makes it really easy to just throw into a lesson plan.
One of the unique parts of our workshop is an industry luncheon where we invite professionals from the area in to sit with the teachers during lunch.
Yeah, the industry lunch is really fun. Talking to people that are out in the real world, doing the jobs that my students need to be aware of. It's important to learn those inside information about how they got into their positions, and then the need for more students to come into that workforce.
The kit actually includes, well, in this lab, here's what an actual career would be. And so to have that career connection with each lab, they can actually see by doing this lab, this is what someone might be doing in their career, but on a larger scale.
There's so much out there you don't get taught in school. So the more we can expose teachers to what's out there as far as opportunities in science, and particularly material science, which nobody hears about, then they can expose their students to it. And then the more people can learn, the better off we'll be, because materials make up everything. So this is super important to just get the word out there.
If you'd like to support innovative programs like today's teacher workshop, you can visit our website at foundation.ceramics.org and learn of ways that you can volunteer and make donations to help bring the next generation of ceramic and glass professionals into our field.